Okay, I'm in my car now. I just wanted to show you a couple little fun tricks, and I'll do another video of all the little tips and tricks for this car later on, but here's just a couple that I like that I learned for my Model 3 a while ago, and they seem to get buried in all the information for Teslas. So these are just a couple fun little tricks that really speed up the interface when you're using it. So first one is, all right, so if you have in your navigation your home set and your work set, there's a couple little easy tricks you can do to easily get there. Oops, sorry, my fingers are in the shot. So first thing you can do is just pull down, and that will take you right to your work if you're at home, and vice versa. If you're out on the road and you pull down on it, it'll take you home. So that's kind of fun. All right. Second thing you can do is when you have the energy display up, or any of the cards really, you don't have to always click the X. Just drag down and it goes away. And also, so here's all your cards. So the energy charging, whichever one you have open last. So let's say we do the energy, okay, and then we close it. A fun little fact to get it open again, it'll open up the last one you just did. If you take your finger, put it on this little arrow and swipe up, it will just quickly bring up the last card that you had open. So that's another one. The one I like is this. So you'll notice it says ahoy ahoy. So just a neat little Easter egg that yours will probably come with it saying call. If you just put your finger on it and hold a couple of seconds, it'll turn into ahoy hoy, which is neat. Your backup camera. So here's your backup camera. You'll have this little arrow here. It's not on by default, but if you click that or just pull up, the other two side repeater cameras will come on, and that'll stay on until you choose to get rid of them. I just constantly leave it on because the more information, the better. And another fun one is a lot of people think when you have your energy display up, you can't see your music. Well, just go down here to your music, put your finger on it, drag it up, and your music pops up. So you can have both on the screen, and you can actually bring this up to have your channels, and then up one more time to actually have the full display. Bring it back down, and your energy display is still behind there. So you can have both at the same time when you're driving. And to get rid of it, just bring it down. Yeah, so that's it for now. I'll do a whole whack more of these soon, but if you have any questions about those, just leave a comment. Thanks.